Hello everybody, my name is Jorge Orozco Muñoz and I am the founder and owner of a business called Golosano. This business idea started last year due to I was taking a course in which I had to start a small business at home. After pondering about it, I decided that I was going to sell homemade granola, which is now our best selling product as you can see. Now that I was taking this course, I decided to continue with this project by creating a website for my business. Therefore, I had to develop a couple more products to sell more than just granola, which was the product that started all. In addition to it, I added all milk cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and natural yogurt. The business is focused on providing a natural and fresh flavor, so we cook all the products without using any kind of artificial preservative, and we use organic ingredients. When I first started with just one product, I used to advertise through social media, and I reached customers that live in my hometown. Now that I have my own website, I can reach more customers that live in many different locations. I live in Guatemala, that has a population of about 14 million people, so it is a very small country compared to others. I decided to offer my products to the whole nation, and I have partnered with Cargo Expresso, which is a national delivery service that is in charge of the delivery of all the orders I receive. I decided to partner with this company because they are able to cover any location within the limits of the country, so it facilitates all that process. The website is comprised of 4 pages. The first one is the homepage, where we provide a brief overview. Then we have the buy page, where there is the catalog of the products we offer. After that, we have the About Us page, where we explain who we are and what we do. Finally, we have a contact page in which we encourage our customers to contact us for questions or concerns. On the other hand, in order to facilitate the payment process to my customers, they can complete their orders with 2 different options. They can pay with a card through PayPal, or they can pay by performing a banking transaction. So they will receive the products in 3 to 5 business days. Creating and managing a website was a challenging task, but it was also a great learning experience. Thank you for your time.